Santa Maria Stella Matutina. There she is. Bambina Maria. Ay, sorry po. He has no name in here. Aba, Ginoong Maria, Hail Mary, full of grace. Wow, oh my gosh. So there is it, guys and gals. We're gonna ask some of our organizers about this. Hi sir, good afternoon. Can I have your minute please? Sir, tanong ko lang po, when will be the last exhibit here? Nag-start po kayo ngayon, no? Yes po. Please invite our viewers. I'm Hendrix, by the way.
Hello po, inaimbitan po kayo sa Salamat Maria Grand Marian exhibit dito po sa Santa Lucia Mall. Ang exhibit po ay maglalas hanggang August 24 po ngayon.
24. So almost 3 weeks.
Yes,
Yeah. Okay. So guys and guys, please visit Santa Lucia Phase 1. And then, ano pong exhibit ulit ito?
Various Marian images po dito sa Metro Manila, Bulacan, Rizal at Pampanga. So iba't iba pong title. More than 100 images po ang makikita niyo po dito sa exhibit.
Yeah.
So visit us po.
Yeah. Salamat Maria
Grand
and
Marian.
Grand Marian exhibit. Okay. So guys, please visit here. Your name, sir?
Jerry's po.
For how long you been doing this, sir? In exhibit?
I'm not so sure po doon sa organizer pero ilang years na rin po.
Ilang years na rin po.
Matagal na rin. Also meron din po silang Lenten exhibit usually pag malapit pa.
Pero sir, ito, this is not for sale, no?
No po, it is privately owned po ng mga devotees ni Mama Mary as well as parishes, shrines, mga chapels po. Yung nasa stage po ay yung festihahan po natin mula sa Diocesan Shrine of Our Lady of the Most Holy Rosary sa Cardona, Rizal, yung mahal na Birhen ng Sapaw.
Pero na-experience mo ba, sir, sometimes they ask for, or they are questioning, do you make replica for you to sell it to the...
No po, usually for devotion, private devotion.
Talaga. Pero have you experienced na, sige na, bibili ako, gawan nyo naman ako.
Siguro po if may gusto, we can assist naman po
I see.
sa mga gumagawa if they want to have.
Yearly kayo dito, sir, di ba?
Usually po.
Sir, thank you so much, Hendrix.
Nice meeting you.
Opo. Thank you. So bye for now, guys and gals. Hope you can come here until August 21, sir, no?
24.
24, sorry.